Hello, Chef here. Once again, we're going to test out a knife. We got the new turbo knife, Porsche Turbo. Look at that. Very cool knife. Look at that chunky handle. Wow, cool design. Turbo knife versus apple. One slice. Are you ready? Knife's pretty sweet, let me tell you. Sweet, I like it. So if you want to try this knife out yourself on apples as thin as you can possibly imagine, visit the sponsor and you'll be cutting just like a chef. Look at that. Beautiful. Line them up. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Score the turbo knife right there. Yeah.